In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find store directory on Walmart account 2026. If you're trying to locate a Walmart store near you, check hours, or confirm an address, the store directory on Walmart's website is the fastest way to do it. I'll walk you through exactly where it lives and how to use it step by step, so you can get what you need in just a minute or two. First, open your browser and head to walmart.com. You don't need to sign into your account for this, although being signed in won't hurt anything. Give the homepage a moment to load fully so all the footer links appear correctly. Once you're on the homepage, ignore the top navigation for now. We're going to use the footer, which is where Walmart keeps a lot of helpful site links. This works on both desktop and mobile, though the layout can look slightly different depending on your screen size. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. On mobile, you might need a few longer swipes to get there. If a pop-up or banner appears, close it so you can keep scrolling. Those sometimes cover the footer links. At the very bottom, look for the section labeled Directory. It's grouped with other informational links you'd typically find in a website footer. Within that area, you'll see an option called Store Directory. That's the one we need. Click on Store Directory. This opens a page that lists Walmart's store directory by state across the United States. You should see the states organized in an easy-to-browse layout, often alphabetically. This page is designed to help you narrow down locations quickly without digging through search results. From here, click on the state you're looking for. For example, if you're traveling or moving, choose the state where you need store information. After selecting the state, you'll be taken to a list of cities within that state that have Walmart locations. Next, select the city you want to view. When you click the city, you'll see the exact store address and other useful details. This typically includes the street address, store number, and often hours of operation and available services, so you can confirm whether the location offers what you need before you go. That's it. To recap, go to walmart.com, scroll to the footer, open the directory, choose store directory, pick your state, then your city to view the exact address. If the directory doesn't appear right away, make sure you've truly reached the bottom of the page, and consider switching to a larger screen for easier navigation.